have to have my phone like this. Hold on. There we go, guys. Alright, so container's full. I think Bee Swarm Simulator is kind of boring. Actually, you know what? After I get my pollen to 0, I'm gonna leave this game and go into a different one. 50 likes, that's all I need. Yeah. Stop it.
Here you guys are.
Hi.
I heard Eli was looking for me.
I think so.
Where is he?
I don't know.
Did he go inside?
I think he's with his mom. Oh, by the way, look, I'm recording, and it's got my face on it. It's
How'd
sick.
you do that?
I don't know. It just did that.
What app do you have?
I have the screen recorder.
Well, I'm gonna try to do that.
I don't know how. I might move into there if you want. Alright, guys, I'm gonna go inside because a lot of bugs are out here. Sometimes I like bugs because they annoy me. Power battery 15, dang. Alright. Oh, no. No. What did he do?
He ate pie.
Oh my gosh, he ate pie? That's not cool. That's rude. Why are people eating pies? They're innocent people. Spice cakes. Alright, there we go. Ew. Ew. Alright. Guys, I'm back. Oh, you guys are still watching? That's cool. I want to download Dead by Daylight, but I don't know how to play it. Blow up, blow up! Yes. Yes, yes. Yes, mommy, yes. Red pollen, red pollen, red pollen, red pollen. Oh, I'm looking for red pollen right now. I don't care about anything else. I just want my red pollen. No, no, need that. And need that. And need that. Yep, give me that. How much pollen, red pollen do I have? 2,000. Cool. Aiden, play with me! Oh, sorry, bad, you can't see my face. Oh, yeah, take that bee down. Yeah, you guys took that bee down and quick. Alright, I still have a lot. 24 tokens from bean bugs. I need 50 bombs and I need 5 blueberry tokens. Have I completed that? Yes, I have. Alright. So guys, I actually think this is boring. Sorry, I need to do that. I'm playing on phone. This is difficult. I might play some more Flee the Facility. Alright, I'm gonna leave this game. I'm gonna go to a different one. Because you guys deserve to see me. Yeah, that's weird. What?
Never mind. You ready?
To do it.
Make the YouTube video.
Oh yeah. I found out that I could put my face in it.
Yeah, mine automatically comes with face cam. Ready,
Oh.
set, now. Hey guys, I'm back with another YouTube video and just a second, what's happening?
Ooh, Legends of Speed. Let's play Legends of Speed.
Okay, just a
Sounds
second,
cool.
guys.
Wrong way.
Okay, just a second, guys. Is this one recording?
Difficult. Was that cool?
I'm just trying to figure out.
That didn't satisfy you, nothing. I don't know. Oh my gosh. Woo! Oh. How good are you at this game?
Okay.
No, I'm talking to my viewers.
Then my viewers didn't even have me.
If I had any.
What's nice?
I might actually be doing a lot of Minecraft and Roblox videos. 'Cause those are my favorite games. I don't like Fortnite, so I'm not gonna do those. Comment down below what game's your favorite. Fortnite, Roblox, or Minecraft. Obviously, no, it's Minecraft, right? No Roblox. I've grown out a little bit of Minecraft. I'll join the race, yeah, sure. I'll probably lose, but yeah, I'm losing the race. Go. Oh my gosh, I'm really fast. I'm really fast, I might beat these. No! I would have came in first. Bro, I would have came in first if I wouldn't have done that jump.
Wait a second! This doesn't work.
Alright, what?
Just a second.
Guys, I'm sorry if that's loud. I don't like that music either. I hope I get a really good trail. Either a trail or a pet. Really good trail or a really good pet. Because this is... Oh no, I can't open that. first. Alright. Holy fart, guys. Oh my gosh, that was a big leap. Who uses the word leap anymore? It's just jump. Come on. Not a trail. No! Trails.
What percent is your phone at?
14. Two steps forward. That's 4 jumps, 5 steps back. Oh, I should have joined that race. Orange Sparks advanced. Ooh.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, it's making me fast.
Okay, I'm gonna start recording now.
Alright.
I'll be back in just.
I got some really good pets on Pet Simulator or whatever it is.
Cool.
I got the best eggs in the game.
It's probably because I helped you. Me and Eli. Mostly me.
No, on the normal coins. Not the moon coins.
Stop not joining the race, me. I have 21k speed, bruh. Alright, so guys.
What's up, guys? I'm back with another video today. This is my first Roblox YouTube video. So I just have to wait for this to load. So
Why would you start filming while it's loading?
I didn't notice it was loading, but all my friends are. I'm gonna join you, Riley.
Alright.
Okay, so I'm gonna be playing with some Speed Legends of Speed. My facing disappeared.
Oh, that made me go high.
What's happening?
Don't need that much speed. Why do I keep missing this? Is it because I'm too fast?
Guys, why did?
I might do code videos in the next week, maybe. Maybe tomorrow, maybe today, I don't know. Might film a little bit. Oh no, I might have to reset. Don't make me have to slash kill. Nope, that's it. Yes. Boom, ha. Got him. 3, 2, 1, go. I really hope I'm third. Second. I was third. I got 100 gems.
Okay, sorry, I'm back. No. I stopped recording.
After slash kill. Oh, that was so annoying.
Let me get on Speed of Legends, please. It has stopped recording again. Oh no, it didn't. Maybe vehicle.
Oh my gosh. I think I'm level 25. Oh yeah, I've been in here before. Crap, why am I trying to do so much better? No! Should I just travel to this one and then that one? Fart. Dun dun dun. Dun dun dun. Dun dun dun. Snow City's hard.
Someone keeps trying to trade me like 100 times and I keep pressing no. Because they won't give me any pets.
Oh, did you see that front flip though?
I'm giving...
Alright guys, I am going to end the video right here. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Bye.